how to buy USDT on Coinbase. So here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. You can see the countries that it's available in. So first we will need to create a Coinbase account. You can do this on your mobile phone as well, and you just got to verify your account. The second step will be adding a payment method. So you want to tap on the payment method box and connect the payment method. You can use a bank account, debit card, or a wire transfer. Then you gotta start a trade. So you want to select buy and sell on the website or the mobile app and select buy. Now we will choose Tether from the list of assets. So here you can see the buy panel and you will just select Tether, or if you search for USDT, you will be able to find it as well. And you gotta enter the amount which you want to buy. So you just gotta use the number pad to type the amount. Then we will finalize the purchase of our USDT and we'll choose buy now, and that's gonna successfully buy Tether on your Coinbase account and add it to your Coinbase account. Here you can see other cryptos similar to Tether and some markets stats about the currency in the US. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.